wooden furniture is superior to other furniture types in several ways. No matter what house or apartment you live in, a piece of wooden furniture would benefit the overall aesthetic. Solid wood furniture is worth the investment. With the proper care, wooden furniture will last for generations to come and its value will only go up. Wood furniture types will serve several purposes in your home or office in addition to their aesthetic value. If you are considering a home renovation project or just want some new items to include in your furniture collection, consider wooden items. For you to get some ideas, we have gathered some useful pieces crafted by craftsmen from around the globe. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood has historically been the choice material for crafting furniture. It has been in use from our ancestors to the present day. The Industrial Revolution changed things for wooden furniture, though. Alternative materials, cheaper to mass produce than wood, like steel, plastic, and aluminum were introduced to the market. However, through the years, even as its production declined, wooden furniture has only grown in prominence. There is something timeless about furniture made from wood. An aesthetic that has retained its relevance from the age of our ancestors through present. One of the main features which make wooden furniture of paramount importance is its durability. As opposed to the many cheaper materials people use nowadays to make furniture, wood lasts years with very little maintenance. Exactly how durable these pieces can be will depend on the type of wood you choose to use. True hardwoods like walnut, white oak, and cherry retain their rich appearance indefinitely. Well-made wooden furniture crafted from hardwoods can last generations, despite heavy use. Softwoods like pine and cedar are more common. Because softwood trees take less time to grow than hardwoods, they tend to be cheaper. The lighter color of softwood also tends to only get darker and deeper as it's exposed to light over time. This more rich look extends the longevity of softwood pieces, making newer pieces an investment worth waiting for. No matter what type you choose, wood remains far and away the most durable material out there. This kind of durability makes sure that the wooden furniture retains the value of your purchase. As long as the piece is well maintained, its value can only grow in the years to come. As wood furniture ages, it becomes rustic and hence more often will increase in value. Woodwares age like few other materials. You can customize wood furniture in different ways. Staining and different specialty finishing options for wood furniture can add a kind of customization to your wooden furniture as well as improving its durability. Staining comes in several options and applying it on your wood furniture can help you get that perfect color you've always wanted for your furniture. You can match the furniture to the color of the room or other accompanying pieces through staining. Stains are an effective way to give the wood the color you want without sacrificing the wood's natural grain or Rot is one of the main challenges associated with wood furniture use in humid areas, especially outdoors. For this, application of varnish finish will keep the wood from rot by waterproofing it. This type of finish is particularly essential for outdoor furniture pieces. This can do wonders for the long-term durability of your outdoor wooden furniture. With a stain finish, the wood on outdoor furniture will have an effective barrier erected to protect it from pests and other outside factors that could end up doing the furniture. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.